Okay, I have to create one edge node. Okay, lab that edge node fqdn. Okay, fqdn could be copy from this edge node home lab dot local control v. Okay, small, don't, I have not record medium, put the password. Okay, and allow ssh root password. Okay, root login, click on next. Configured, I need to deploy in management cluster. Okay, so I need to data store ds2, click on next. So static IP I need to put for the management access 192.168.50/24 kt192.168.56.2. Select interface. What is my management interface which can be accessed by management VM network. Click on save. DNS server 192.168.56.170 and 192.168.56.170. Okay, click on next. Click on, this is needs to be host switch, so lab host switch. Okay, transport zone, overlay and VLAN both I have to given, and lab node 1 IPv4 tunnel endpoint is required. Use IP pool, use IP pool lab IP, and node 2 I have to provide over this, and select interface, and this is basically management deployed group and VM network. Uplink to for VM network. Click on save. Click on finish. Well, so edge transport node has been deployed perfectly. Okay, so it will be starting, and first of all it will be deployed over this, like it will be deployed and it will be start over this it a few minutes. Okay, then it will be configured and automatically logged in over this. Okay, so we should see what that mean to be started. Okay, deploy OBF template, it can be count and it will be started. It is now it is 0%. Okay, so already we have created the lab edge node. Okay, now we need to create the edge cluster. Okay, add edge cluster, click on lab edge cluster. Okay, need to cluster profile. Okay, before that I need to add it. Let me check it is possible to add or not. Okay, yeah, this is completely, we are able to create the cluster. So so this is the progress, or this is the things how to create the nodes. Okay, so already told you earlier chapter how to create the nodes. Okay, so if you don't see, please click on this before chapter, the pin immediate before chapter, so you can see all the details what is nodes. Okay, so this is the create the edge transport nodes and edge cluster.